All seated moves to reduce belly fat today, helping us strengthen those important muscles in our tummy.
And because belly fat's as much about food as movement, we've teamed up with our friend Dr. Ruth Machin, a registered nutritionist. Her channel link is linked below. We're using our core today totally, so it's best not to lean back on the chair, keeping your back straight and your tummy pulled in throughout.
Don't go too fast doing this because you're working on the way up and on the way down.
Our favourite exercise is sit to stand, and one of the best ones you can do. Another way you can do it is fold your arms if it's easier.
Keep your back straight, don't lean back.
3, 2, 1, and change.
Okay, next exercise. Arms up and leg out. Point your toes, hold it for 5 seconds, and then change legs.
Wrong leg.
Can't get the staff. Much easier if you can count to 5.
That hold is really holding your core in and your back straight. Tightening those tummy muscles.
Absolutely.
Three, 2, 1, and stop.
Right, next exercise, you may need to hold on to the side of your chair and just lift your legs up, knees as high as you can. Hold it if you can for 5 seconds, and then down. Rest for 2 seconds, then up you go again. Holding that stomach in all the time. And down.
I'm trying my best to keep my back straight and not lean back.
Yep, head up, back straight wherever possible. Should feel like you've got a piece of string from your spine pulling your belly button in. And using those muscles of the stomach wall.
It's quite hard. With hips as well as the core, stomach.
Keep breathing, deep breaths, and keep smiling. Pretend you're enjoying yourself.
It's a long hold that one.
Really feel it in your tummy.
Right, last one.
Hold.
Hold.
You can do it for 10 seconds.
Oh no, not 10. I can't.
And down.
Okay.
Legs slightly apart. Edge of your chair. Arms up. And then we're going to go down. Touch the floor. And up. Really good for your tummy, this.
Oh, very good. Three, 2, and 1.
Well done. All right, next one. Arms folded in front of you, and we're going to turn to the right, middle, left. Great for the tummy, good for the shoulders, mainly for your tummy. Try and get round as far as you can. Stretch those tummy muscles, but without straining anything.
Three, two, and one.
All right, next exercise. Hands behind your head, lifting your right knee and dipping your left elbow.
You're going quickly.
I'll slow down.
Holding in your tummy. Do as much as we can for those muscles that are in our belly, and so that we can start to reduce the belly fat.
We're nearly in time.
I think we are, aren't we? We'll keep moving us at our age group over 60. Very important, so that we can keep and maintain independence for as long as possible. Open those jars, carry the shopping, and all the other tasks that we take for granted. 3, 2, and 1.
Next exercise. Hands together, clasped to one side, and we're going to be going down to the other side. And up. And up. And down. Oh, nearly got that right now.
Well done.
It's taken a while. Sitting on the edge of your chair. Don't forget to breathe. Try and do 30 seconds one side, and then we're going to change to the other side.
You're rowing a boat from an odd angle.
Yep. If you do it this side all the time, you'll be going round in circles.
In the boat.
In your boat, as opposed to your chair.
Right, can we change over now?
3, 2, 1.
Pulling my tummy in, it's hard. How many circles would we have done if we kept going?
Oh, 30.
30 circles.
Yeah, we've done 30 one way and then 30 the other, so we'll get back to where we started. Going nowhere fast, as they say. Don't know about you, but I've lost count now.
Right. 3, 2, and 1.
Well done. Next one. Goalposts. Hands up here, and then we're going down. Hold that tummy in. Deep breaths. Keep smiling. Make sure you don't score an own goal. Forget, if you're enjoying these exercises and they're doing you some good, don't forget to subscribe. No information is taken, There is absolutely no cost involved. It just lets us know you're enjoying the exercises and you're doing the exercises and hopefully getting some benefit from the exercises, which is the whole idea.
And enjoying the banter fun, because that's what retirement's all about. Enjoying life and doing something to remain as independent as possible.
When I was a PE teacher, my main aim was enjoyable physical activity, learning some skills along the way. Really good on your shoulders, this, as well as your tummy.
So if you've enjoyed watching this, please subscribe and look in my left hand corner where I will put up the next video that I suggest you watch. Again, about fall prevention, our last video, which is very good to help prevent falls. Thank you very much and see you next time. Bye.